Hello? Hello? Hey. Ah! No. I'm fine. I just couldn't hear you. Why am I screaming? I stepped on a staple remover.
Oh my god, I totally remember this conversation.
I
think I'm gonna be sick. I'm sorry.
No, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if there's anything I never did for you. I'm sorry if I never said the right thing, and I just can't go. It took me forever just to find you, and now you're never coming back. I can't imagine my life without you.
Don't be like this, okay? Just be happy for the time that we did have together. All right?